Okay? Now, number 18, ganun din ang requirement. Net income, wala naman ding income and expenses given. And instead na income and expenses, ang ibinigay, changes in assets, liabilities, equity. So, pwede sana nating magamit ito kung available yung equity ending beginning, hindi rin given. So, paano natin makukompute itong portion na ito? So, babalikan natin ulit yung effect ng changes in assets and liabilities on equity. So, this one. Ito yung given eh. So, kailangan natin itong portion na ito. Hindi available yung assets and liabilities beginning ending. Ang available lang, increase, decrease. Okay? So, dito tayo kukumputin muna natin to. Saka natin ito i-consider. Okay? And paano makompute yung net change? So, ito yung simple guide. Okay? Babalikan natin yung concept ng accounting equation. Okay? This one. Again, hindi available to. Wala yan. Wala din ito. So, para makompute ito, okay, kakailanganin natin yung net change yung effect ng change in assets and liabilities on equity. So, using the accounting equation, diba, assets, okay, equals liabilities plus equity. So, given the changes in assets and liabilities, what happened to equity? Yan. Okay, increase in assets, increase in equity. Decrease, decrease. So, yung change in assets, mayroon siyang direct effect, same effect on equity. Liabilities. Increase, decrease in equity. Decrease, increase in equity. So, ang liabilities, meron siyang inverse effect on equity. Okay? So, given the changes nga in assets and liabilities, consider natin yung effect sa equity. So, pag increase ang effect, plus. Pag decrease, minus. Okay? I-disregard natin yung sign. Ito lang, indication lang kung increase ba or decrease. Pero pag kukumpute na natin itong net change in equity, ha? Okay? Absolute amount tayo. Okay? So, effect on equity. Okay. Cash, increase. Equity, increase. AR, increase. Equity, increase. Okay? Inventory, decrease. Equity, decrease, minus. Buildings and equipment, increase. Equity, increase. Patents, decrease. Equity, decrease. So again, yung effect, yung change in assets, same ang effect sa equity. Accounts payable, decrease. Decrease in liability, increase in equity. Bonds payable, increase. Okay. Equity, decrease. Okay. Share capital and share premium are equity items. So hanggang dun lang tayo sa assets and liabilities. Get the net change. Ignore the sign, ha? Ignore mo ito. Itong kukonsider natin. Then absolute amount yan. So 95,500 plus 92 minus 30 plus 190 minus 5 plus, plus yan, plus 75 minus 150. Net effect on equity, net change. Okay, that's 267,500. The net change in equity. Now, nag-increase ang share capital at share premium. Why? Nag-issue ng shares, most likely yan. Yang proceeds na yan from issuance of shares, contributions from owners, minus 100 plus 50 minus 150. Contributions from owners. Okay, dividends declared. Wala naman tayo nakita ditong dividends payable. So dividends declared and also paid 25. So distribution to owners and 25. Net change, owner changes, non-owner change in equity, comprehensive income. Wala namang sinabing OCI. Dahil walang OCI, the comprehensive income is also the net income. So number 18. Bravo. Okay. So ayan yung cash basis to accrual basis and vice versa. Yung single entry, okay, yung capital maintenance approach of computing net income na yan. Okay? So mga ano yan parang okay, traditional problems yan. Okay, sa FAR, okay, na dati sa P1. And actually, dahil ito, kahit magbago man ng mga standards, hindi nagbabago yung concept niyan, kaya usually nabibigay yan sa actual board. And also dito kasi, pwedeng matest yung okay, analytical skills mo dyan, yung also yung knowledge mo of the relationship of the accounts. So kaya, again, madalas mabigay itong topic na ito. Kaya nagtataka nga ako at nawala specifically doon sa sa October 2022 na syllabus. Okay? So again, hindi man siya explicitly mentioned, okay, pwede pa ring mabigay. Okay? Kasi syempre yung accrual basis naman, okay, kailangan alam mo yan dahil yan ang ginagamit, requirement ng okay, PS1 in preparing FS. And yun nga, kung cash basis ang nagamit, so you need to convert sometimes to accrual basis.